Then friends, today we have the newspaper of 4th April 2025. We start with the first news that India holds fire at Trump slim tariff. Trump announces tariff raising from 10% to the 49%. India hit with 27% tariff. India's Commerce Ministry examining the implications will engage with stakeholders. EU, China, Canada vow countermeasures. Japan, South Korea, Trump tariff regrettable. The is Liberation Day, a long awaited moment. 2nd April 2025 will be forever be remembered as the day of America's industry was reborn. SC confirms cancellations of over 23,000 appointments of teachers in Bengali schools. Ban on firecrackers in Delhi NCR necessary, Supreme Court. Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Bengal got no fund under Samarg Shiksha Abhiyan, Minister. Aap attack government or frequent power cuts, all outage planned ministers, data show otherwise. Will rebound agitations and take it across the country, Pharma leader. Mumbam lands on Waqf bill, passes Royals Kerala politics. SC stays work in Kanch Kochi Voli terms, destruction of forest alarming. Tank battle polluted groundwater. In Haryana, groundwater pollution has led the people to build underground tanks that are fed by excessive water tank service whose costs escalate in summer. Ashok Kumar talked to residents to understand the extent of problem and go government officials who claim that pipe water supply has sole issue. The other space race, the geopolitics of state satellite net. It remains to be seen whether satellite internet will lead to a promise of universal connectivity or strengthening existential digital device in optimal form. Next is about Bangladesh event, a reflection of South Asia's minority. Addressing the state of religious minority in South Asia will having bearing on the region peace and prosperity. Data and federalism. Reliable data can lead the dialogue between center and the state. Instant injustice. The state must not be allowed to adopt the playbook of the mob. Should India reduce tariff given the US move? In conversation with Alyari Raja, exploring the music directory journey in life, one of high note has been an enriching experience. Why are undersea cable important? Why are undersea cable? How does connect internet network globally? What is the India's subsea cable ecosystem? What are the some of the challenging in laying the cable in India? Why is India considered vulnerable to these disruptions? How it can be improved? These are the questions that are answered in this that India has 17 international cable systems, mainly landing in Mumbai and Chennai, along with two domestic cable systems connecting island territories. However, its global subsea cable infrastructure remains slow. What challenges does Greenland new PM faces? Freedom of expression and the Kerala's controversy over Empuran. Expert Telangana CM to exercise restraint Supreme Court. Tamil Nadu government to install status of Karl Marx in Chennai. Build memorial to Mukhi Thevar. Tamil Nadu move regulations against delimitations to protect state autonomy. Stalin at CPI meet. In a possible turnaround for ties, Modi and Yunus to have talk in Bangkok. The MK will move Supreme Court. Waqf bill amendment will hit Muslims. Stalin. Waqf bill is a BJP ploy for permanent polarization. Sonia. No violence reported in Manipur in past 4 months, say Amit Shah. Engineering goods to be take a hit. Exporters of textile see a ray of hope. Indices whether Trump tariff rupee is stronger. India's seafood export get the sinking feeling. Electronic industry get tariff breather. Jewelry export to US may have half job at stake. EU prepared to respond to the tariff but open for talk. Head of Myanmar military government visit Thailand in a rare overseas trip. Top Russian official in Washington for talk on improving relations. Yemen Houthi saw one dead and over 30 strike hit rebel held areas. Israeli strikes on Gaza strips leave more than 50 Palestinians died. China firm post US tariff plays retaliations. Lithuania among hardest hit by Trump tariff. Hungary welcomed Netanyahu, declare international court of it is quitting ICC, International Criminal Court. Rubio says US committed to NATO but wants allies to double spending target. Sai Sundaran waxes eloquent on Sai Kishore. Hernandez's late strike helps GFC stunt Mohan Bagan. It's early days, but F-125 has all the ingredients of a port boiler. Compassion in primary healthcare, here's what it looked like in India. That's from my side, friends. See you soon. Jai Hind.